Smartphones are great fun, and there's a lot of good games out there that you can get for free, but there are also some apps that can help keep you and your family safe. No kidding here. Here to tell us about some of his top picks is Andy Crouppen of Brown & Crouppen. I know you guys have your own app over there at the office.
We do.
That we'll get to, but I love the first one you've got on your list, which is kind of a first aid kit on your phone.
Yeah, it's amazing on this little device how much information you can get. I was just thinking before the segment, 3 years ago, the summer of 2008, if you and I were having a discussion about apps, we were probably at TGI Fridays. That was
Right.
with Junior at the bar.
Ordering up the fried green beans.
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing how quickly apps have invaded every aspect of our life. I just bought my dad a new TV. It's got apps there. Phones have apps, everything. So anyway, the First Aid app, it's a really great app. This one, I believe, there's a free version of. And if ever you're in an emergency situation, there are all sorts of tips how to give CPR. It even gives you sort of a step-by-step, I believe, verbal voice command CPR advice.
Wow.
So you can just set it, and it tells you exactly what to do in all types of situations. So it's free. No reason not to have it on your phone. You don't want to be fumbling for the App Store. Oh God, where's the CPR?
Right,
I got to download this quickly. Just have it on there. It's
That's
a nice
great.
thing to
And
have.
there's a very simple connection to 911 there too. That's like one button access.
Yeah, a lot of these apps,
but
including our own Brown & Crouppen app, just one button and it'll call 911 for you.
my wife's vehicle has had numerous recalls to the point that I feel like I'm missing some. I don't even know what's there, but you found an app that posts all of the government regulated recalls, right?
It does. It'll accumulate them from the Consumer Product Safety Commission. It will take recalls from the FDA, from the Department of Agriculture, and it'll put them all in one place. So you just type in the name of a product or a drug, and it'll tell you if there are any recalls that are current for this vehicle or food product.
That's, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking you're at a garage sale or one of those secondhand kids products stores, and you think, oh, that's a great deal. But didn't I see this in a recall poster somewhere? You whip out the recall app, and you're checking it out right there on site.
Yeah.
That's cool. Very handy. This is an interesting one, too. It's something I've never really thought about, but you're going out on a blind date. And, you know, it's no joking matter. The chances are slim that something would go this far awry. But it's a person you've never met before. Strange things can happen. Wouldn't it be nice to have a way to alert people you know, maybe your emergency contacts, if something tragic happens? I
like this one. This is the inner paranoia in me.
Yeah, right.
No, this is a great idea because in the age of computer dating, a lot of people are on all these Match.com websites, and you meet people, you don't know who they are. Not that you knew any better when you met somebody in a bar, but still, you're meeting people that you have no attachment to. They don't have friends of friends. So you put in there who you're meeting, where you're meeting them, and then you put an emergency contact in there. And it sets a check-in time for you. If you fail to check in on your phone at your predetermined time, what will happen is it'll automatically send a message to whoever you deemed your immediate emergency contact to be, and they'll tell you who you were with, where you were, so they can start sending out the police.
Red flags. That really is a good. As a dad of a daughter now, I keep thinking 18 years from now, I want that on our smartphone. And before we let you go, of course, we got to talk about the Brown & Crouppen app.
Oh, I thought we'd never get to that.
Sure. I think you know a thing or two about it.
Yeah, the Brown & Crouppen app, what we did is we wanted to make a free app so that if somebody had a car accident or any type of injury, what it does is you go on there, it does have that instant 911 button. If you have a car accident, it has the steps that you need to take when you have a car accident. It prompts you to take notes, get any witness names, take pictures with your smartphone of your vehicle and maybe the other vehicle, and just tells you kind of what to do in case of an accident. You can call a cab. There's a blood alcohol monitor.
That's great. We're showing a picture now of the VIP card too, which could get you discounts at businesses. You guys are everywhere. You're plugged in all over. It's a little disturbing, actually.
Well,
no, it's not. I'm kidding. But it is a good, I mean, there's even you can calculate your own blood alcohol content based on how many drinks you've had over such and such a period of time. It's interesting stuff.
That's not perfectly accurate, but it's a good guideline.
You're not blowing into the phone.
Right.
If you have a legal question for Brown & Crouppen, you can email us here at greatday@cam.